Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy, feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.